Robots in healthcare are revolutionizing patient care, assisting in surgeries, and enhancing rehabilitation processes. From precision surgeries to patient monitoring, their integration optimizes efficiency and improves medical outcomes. With advancements in AI and robotics, they're becoming indispensable allies in the healthcare sector. Dr. Alfred is a groundbreaking robot surgeon debuting in Dubai. Despite his appearance in green scrubs, he's a hyperrealistic robot from Engineering Arts. Powered by AI and voice recognition from an English startup, Dr. Alfred converses freely. He answers personal questions, understands all languages, hinting at a future where robots like him replace humans in tourism, even as hotel administrators. Within the healthcare sector, Grace, the sibling of Sophia, specializes in providing assistance to individuals suffering from degenerative brain diseases. Amidst the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic, Grace has emerged as a crucial ally in supporting isolated individuals. Leveraging advanced AI capabilities, she aids in diagnosis and communicates fluently in Mandarin, Cantonese, and English. Adorned in a blue nurse's uniform, Grace possesses distinct Asian features, collar-length brown hair, and a thermal camera embedded in her chest. This camera serves the vital function of detecting a patient's temperature and pulse, aiding doctors in diagnosing illnesses and administering treatments. Grace harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to conduct patient diagnoses, assess responsiveness, and utilize the thermal camera for vital signs detection, enhancing the efficiency and accuracy of healthcare interventions. Robia, a bipedal humanoid robot that aids elderly and disabled individuals in daily tasks with retractable legs for compact navigation. It assists with lifting, transferring, and walking, alleviating physical strain on caregivers and patients. With its sensors, Robia prevents accidents, detects obstacles, and monitors vital signs, enhancing safety. Equipped with a tablet for communication, Robia combats loneliness and social isolation, promoting emotional support and companionship. Moxie, an autonomous delivery robot developed by Diligent Robotics in Austin, Texas, is assisting medical staff at Edward Hospital in Naperville. With pre-programmed digital maps, sensors for navigation, and the ability to dock for charging, Moxie efficiently delivers medical supplies, prescriptions, and lab samples, allowing nurses and doctors to focus more on patient care. The introduction of Moxie has significantly increased task efficiency, with plans to expand its presence in other hospitals, showcasing the supportive role of technology in healthcare. Pediatric Hull, a medical robot by Gomard, replicates human behavior by bleeding, crying, urinating, and more. It serves as a training tool for medical students to practice diagnosing and treating illnesses before treating real patients. Gomard offers a range of robots, including those simulating pregnancy, newborns, and trauma wounds.